Okay guys, so we got the 2009 Honda Civic 1.8 engine, and it's making weird noise which sounds like power steam pump. So we're gonna hear that noise so we can decide what exactly is going on. Let's crank it. What I did is I get one of my extensions and I put my ear right here, and then put them on a pulley and all the stuff because I don't have the other tool to put them on. So what I did is I put them right here on the alternator, and you can hear the whining noise, which I believe it's gonna be the bearing inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the belt and move the pulley manual and see if I can hear that noise. So I'm gonna lose the belt right now. So we're gonna use the 19 to pull that tensioner out of the way. Let's see, it should go that way. Okay, it's gonna be tight. That thing is tight, bro. Okay, so we got it loose. Okay, I don't hear any noise like that. So I'm gonna check the other pulleys. Okay, you hear that? Okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can catch that noise. You hear that? Okay, so it's on the AC compressor pulley.
I ended up replacing the AC compressor.